Tito, I don't think we're in Nebraska anymore.
I'm Brenda, the witch of the Midwest. Do you want a good roof or a bad roof?
Why do I need a roof?
Well, even though the storm damaged your roof over a year ago, it's still not too late to do something about it. Moose Roofing makes it easy for you because they mainly focus on 3 things: roofs, gutters, and speaking with insurance.
Good point. So what's the process?
When it comes to fixing your roof, there are 3 phases. Phase 1 is the assessment. A professional will perform a detailed examination of your roof to determine the extent of the damage. Moose Roofing also gives temporary fixes to prevent further damage. Phase 2 is the adjuster meeting. This involves speaking to the insurance company with you and providing expertise and pictorial proof of what needs to be fixed. And the final phase is the installation of your new roof using top-of-the-line cutting-edge technology. But if you're not sold on Moose Roofing yet, go ahead and walk on the Golden Brick Path to Sapphire City. There you'll meet the wonderful roofer of Oz and Ooze. Also, you'll need good shoes. Ooh, or you could just enter your contact information in the form below.
Why so sad?
Well, a hail and windstorm destroyed my roof.
Oh, well, if you need your roof repaired, Moose Roofing is a no-brainer.
If your roof needs assessing, do not be distressing. Moose Roofing will be there to see what's broken and leaking, and constructionally speaking, just what needs to be repaired.
We're off to fill out our contact info in the form below so a Moose Roofing representative can give us a call.
Moose Roofing is the best out there, and I ain't lying.
Their courage they will muster to meet with the adjuster when bad weather is to blame. Moose Roofing gives assurance that they'll work with your insurance to prove the damage warrants a claim.
Moose Roofing shows the proof that they're top quality. They make sure to protect your property with a 10-year labor warranty. To your needs they respond, they go above and beyond to help you right away. Moose Roofing you'll be trusting, they'll stop rot, mold, ice, and rusting. Fill in your contact info today.
You must be the Tin Man.
Actually, my name is Todd.
Oh, it looks like we made it to the land of Oz and Ooze.
I am the great and powerful roofer of Oz and Ooze. My company will fix your roof, and it will only take 2 weeks. And we definitely don't use subpar material, nor do we overpromise and underdeliver. And we will pay for your deductible.
No, that is illegal.
You lied to us. You're a bad roofer.
No, I'm a good roofer.
We've heard enough. I'm going with Moose Roofing. We must be getting home now. There's no roof like a moose roof. There's no roof like a moose roof. There's no roof like a moose roof. I love my new roof from Moose Roofing. Here's what some of their satisfied customers had to say.
The company's solid. They've got a positive energy that's amazing.
They came, were courteous, polite, were responsive to our needs.
If the storm hits, you need to call Moose Roofing because they know what they're doing.
To feel at home again, fill in your contact information in the form below.